introduce yourself and your associates, and also there is a question needs to be answered, and that is, can you operate within the mayor's proposed budget? And after that, you may just, if any statements or presentation you have, lead right into it.
Thank you, Chairman Pridemore. To my right, I have our CFO, Pam McEwen.
If you would pull the microphone a little closer to you there. Thank you.
To my right, I have our CFO, Pam McEwen. I'm Renee Pratt, Director of Social Services. Before I get started, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the Finance Department, along with the Council, for all your support over the past year. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the Social Services staff for all their hard work over the past year, especially with the James Robertson eviction process. And also our planning and coordination staff with the release of our community needs evaluation. As many of you know, Metro Social Services provides a very wide range of services to help Davidson County residents who are in need. These services promote positive change for individuals and families in times of crisis and economic hardship. The 3% reduction for Metro Social Services will result in the elimination of 4 vacant homemaker positions. These positions are full-time positions. The homemaker program is ending through attrition over the next 1 to 2 years based on the recommendation made in the 2004 performance audit and again in a 2014 internal audit. It proposed that homemaker services are normally provided by community service organizations or for-profit at a lower cost. In May 2014, the Metro Social Services Board of Commissioners agreed with the audit findings and voted unanimously to end the program through attrition over the next 1 to 2 years. We also proposed to downgrade our Quality Assurance Manager position to a Social Worker 3 position. The Quality Assurance Manager position was originally hired based on the performance audit and was the primary position involved through our accreditation efforts. Now that MSS has created its role in providing case management services, partnering with various Metro and community partners, we no longer need the Quality Assurance Manager position. Rather, we need more qualified social workers. The Quality Assurance Manager position is currently vacant and will not result in any layoffs. And that concludes my remarks. Thank you.
Thank you. Council Lady Moore.
Thank you, Chair. And Ms. Pratt, thank you for always being here as well for your report. Well, you know, I'm always interested in the homemakers program. And, you know, Trevecca's in my area. And so the last time that I heard, you know, there was some individuals very upset over it. I noticed that you said that there are community services or for-profit organizations. Now, you all have a list of those organizations that continually serve these, like Trevecca Towers or Hatley Towers or Van Hill Towers. I have Van Hill Towers as well in the area. Approximately
a year ago, when we decided to end the homemaker program, we started contacting our partners in the community to let them know we were ending the program. We also helped our customers apply for other programs that they might be eligible for, and we have an ongoing process of hopefully moving them on to something else, but we're not moving them off until they have other services or come off the program voluntarily. That's why we're doing it through attrition.
Okay. All right. That's all I needed to know. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Seeing no other council members in the queue, that concludes your presentation. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.